Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Well, today is all about Christmas. Come on, let's go get started. We're making white chocolate peppermint bark. You can also use dark chocolate. I have a cookie sheet with wax paper, or you could use parchment paper on it as well. Just push it all the way into the corners, make sure it's kind of flat. All you need are 2 cups of white chocolate. This is Ghirardelli. About 1 cup of crushed peppermint. The chocolate is in a heat-proof bowl. I'm going to melt it over a double boiler. Here we go. This off of the water when it's just about melted. You can still see some chips in there. They're going to melt the rest of the way from the heat of the chocolate itself. And mix in the peppermint. At this point, optionally, you can add up to a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint flavor if you really want to. I don't. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that in, mix that all up. As soon as it's all well mixed, we're going to just spread it right on this baking sheet and pop it in the refrigerator to chill. Now, just spread it all out as thinly as possible. That's spread out about as thin as I can get it. And now we just pop this in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes until the chocolate is hard again. And then you just crack it up into little pieces. After 45 minutes or so, just take it off the cookie sheet, see how it's nice and hard, and just go ahead and break it up in pieces, whatever size you want. Look at that. I like bite-sized pieces. Makes you feel like you can nibble on it and not feel guilty taking a giant piece like that. Just break it all up. Just take a look at that. This won't last very long. Give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of that video. Leave your questions and comments below and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.